I usually try to advise clients, especially if they not computer savvy. If they're not, keep an accordion file folder. You can buy them at Staples and things like that, and keep all your bills of everything that you've spent that you envision. I use this to then therefore try to offset against your income. So if you build for clients, keep that in one section of the accordion file folder and say, these are all the people that I billed. I was doing lessons or I was doing freelances, and it totals 10,000. Here's my 10 bills. Great. Then you can help substantiate, and if CRA ever wants to look at it, they can trace that back into what you got paid in your bank account. Simple. If you've got all your telephone bills, all your gas bills, computers, anything else like that that you're incurring to try to earn that income, keep that in a separate part of those accordion file folders. And that way you've got support in case the Revenue Canada ever disagrees.